Ethereum cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $1,844.09 a coin in a significant manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,824.49 $1,860.03, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, $1,830.96, or so they in every practical sense thought. The change in every practical sense was plus 13.13, plus 0.72%, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Reverse rate, USD to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 29. Cost $1,833, kind of greatest 1961, by and large least 1705, or so they really thought. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 30. Cost $1,856, certainly most extreme 1986, by and large least 1726 in an essentially significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $1,862, sort of most extreme 1992, essentially least 1732, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Ethereum figure on Thursday, June 1, cost $1,807, essentially greatest 1933, really least 1681, which explicitly is very critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $1,844, for the most part greatest 1973, certainly least 1715, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Ethereum figure on Monday, June 5, cost $1,857, kind of greatest 1987, by and large least 1727, which essentially shows that Ethereum cost really equivalent to $1,844.09 a coin, which especially is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $1,842, most certainly greatest 1971 in every practical sense, least 1713, which by and large is genuinely huge. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost $1,849 in every practical sense, greatest 1978, by and large least 1720, or so they generally thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $1,861, most certainly greatest 1991, exceptionally least 1731, or so they most certainly thought. Ethereum figure on Friday, June 9, cost $1,839, most extreme 1968, all things considered, least 1710 in a significant way. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $1,837, beautiful greatest 1966, truly least 1708, which truly is very huge. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost $1,845, by and large greatest 1974, sort of least 1716 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $1,862, really most extreme 1992, fundamentally least 1732, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum figure on Thursday, June 15, cost $1,866, in every way that really matters, greatest 1997, essentially least 1735, or so they for the most part thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $1,854, by and large greatest 1984, exceptionally least 1724, which truly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, June 19, cost $1,867, by and large greatest 1998, especially least 1736, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $1,819, greatest 1946, really least 1692, exhibiting how Ethereum figure on Thursday, June 15, cost $1,866, exceptionally most extreme 1997, certainly least 1735 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost $1,813, especially most extreme 1940, all things considered, least 1686 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $1,808, greatest 1935, genuinely least 1681 incredibly. Ethereum gauge on Friday, June 23, cost $1,783, genuinely greatest 1908, especially least 1658, which in a real sense is very critical. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $1,762, kind of most extreme 1885, exceptionally least 1639, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost $1,679, really greatest 1797, for the most part least 1561, in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to ETH conversion scale really equivalent to 0.5423 coins per 1,000 bucks, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Today, S reach 0.5376 minus 0.5481. The past day, S nearby 0.5462 in an unpretentious way. Change for now 0.0039, 0.71%. Further appearance how in about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 1837 bucks, greatest 1966, truly least 1708, which certainly is genuinely huge. USD to ETH cost gauge for in the not so distant future and month in a truly significant manner. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, May 29, cost 0.546 coins, extremely greatest 0.587, really least 0.510. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 0.539 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.579, by and large least 0.504 in an especially significant manner. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost 0.537 coins, especially greatest 0.577, lovely least 0.502, which shows that USD to ETH cost estimate for in the not so distant future and month, which most certainly is very huge. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 0.553 coins, especially greatest 0.595, least 0.517. So in about a month Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 1762 bucks, kind of most extreme 1885, least 1639, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, June 2, cost 0.542 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.583 in every way that really matters, least 0.507 in an essentially significant way. In multi-week USD to ETH forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 0.539 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.579, truly least 0.503, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.543 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.584, sort of least 0.507, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Ethereum value expectation for in the not so distant future and month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 1833 bucks. Sort of greatest 1961, lovely least 1705 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.541 coins, truly greatest 0.581, genuinely least 0.506, which truly is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.537 coins, especially greatest 0.578, genuinely least 0.502, which really is very critical. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, June 9, cost